Hi friends, today we are going to understand what is additive inverse and what is multiplicative inverse. How it can be calculated, what is the difference between these two, that we can see in the next part. First, additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Two rational numbers whose sum is 0 are called opposite numbers. For example, -2 plus 2. If you do the sum of these two numbers, the sum is always 0. That's why this is called opposite number. Other example, -15 plus 15. If you do the sum of -15 and plus 15, these are called opposite number because their sum is 0. When their sum is 0, when they are opposite number, one is positive, one is negative, then each is said to be the additive inverse of the other. For example, plus 2 is additive inverse of -2 and -2 is additive inverse of plus 2. If you do the sum of these two number, that always comes 0. That's why this is called additive inverse. Next is multiplicative inverse. The product of two rational number is 1, then the each is said to be the multiplicative inverse of the other. What does it mean? For example, here we multiplied 5 into 1 by 5. If you do the multiplication, that comes always 1. When the multiplication of the two numbers, for example 5 into 1 by 5, that comes 1, then that's called multiplicative inverse of the other. In this example, 5 and 1 by 5 are multiplicative inverse of each other and vice versa. Other example, by 13 into 13. This 1 by 13 into 13, the multiplication comes 1. So 1 by 13 and 13 are multiplicative inverse of the each other. So this is all about additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye bye.